Hi everyone. In previous video presentation, we have studied the mechanism of the Indian monsoon system. Now, today we study the monsoon. There are huge variation in temperature have to be seen in different parts of the India in different season. The meteorologist usually divided the climate into four seasons. First season is hot and dry summer. Hot and dry summer from March to May. And second one is hot and wet season or southwest monsoon season. It is June to September. And third season retreating up southwest monsoon from October to November. Fourth one is the cold and dry winter season or northeast monsoon. It starts from December to Feb. Now let's focus on hot and dry summer season. Hot and dry summer season, the vertical rays fall during this period directly over the Tropic of Cancer line due to northward movement of the sun. Already you know that Tropic of Cancer line divide the whole India into almost two equal parts. In this season, the day temperature rises 41 degrees Celsius to 47 degrees Celsius approximately in North India. The highest day temperature increases at this time. The heat it further moves towards the northwestern part of India. Sometime temperature reaches up to 48 degrees Celsius, whereas southern part of India do not experiences extreme hot weather conditions due to nearness of the sea. The maximum temperature experiences 20 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius except the places located at high altitude such as Ooty on the western Ghat. So, as compared to the northern India, southern India gets less temperature. The coastal areas temperature experiences moderate due to sea impact. The peninsular plateau and hilly region relatively cool because of the elevation. Due to high temperature conditions in northern part of India, low pressure system develop and the lowest pressure experiences in north-western part of India such as Punjab, Haryana, Rajasthan state. High pressure system develop over southern part of India including water bodies such as Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. So the winds blow from southwest to northeast directions in Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal Sea. The hot weather season over the North India is generally dry. Very less amount of rainfall occur in this season. The low pressure system over the northern plain attract the winds from surrounding areas and occur rainfall with thunderstorms and strong winds. These winds causes rainfall in Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Assam and southern India's part of Kerala, Karnataka state. Mainly in coastal areas, huge amount of the rainfall occur. In this season, maximum rainfall received by Kerala 25 centimeter rainfall and 50 centimeter rainfall in Assam state. There are some famous local storms and hot winds blow in summer season, such as mango shower. Towards the end of the summer, mango shower occur. It is also known as pre-monsoon shower. It prevails over Kerala and coastal areas of the Karnataka. They are locally known as mango shower because it is helpful in ripening of the mangoes. It is also known as cherry blossom shower in Karnataka state due to effect of the coffee plantation at large scale. Next wind is nor'westers. Nor'westers, known by its more famous name Kal Baisakhi. It occurs in the months of Baisakh, so it is called Kal Baisakhi. It is local winds and rainfall occur with thunderstorms mainly in northeastern and eastern part of India. It is also prevalent in Bangladesh. The Indian state affected by this phenomena are West Bengal, Assam, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Odisha, Jharkhand, and other 7 northeastern states of India, which included Mizoram, Nagaland, Manipur, Tripura, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, and Assam. All our states include in northeastern part of India. These causes wide-scale calamity in this region. These thunderstorms causes rainfall, which is useful for jute and rice cultivation. They start occurring from month of March and the effect to be seen April and May month. Next local wind is Lu. It is hot, dry winds blowing in northern plains of India, so it is called Lu. These winds have temperature ranges 45 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. It causes heat strokes in summer season. In next video presentation, I will explain the southwest monsoon season over the Indian subcontinents. Thank you for watching the Geography Award.